It's important for your legal team to have you very well prepared for your upcoming setting. Your attorney has likely already walked you through the happenings of a court case, be it the negotiation process or actually what it may be like to sit in front of a judge. The reality for all settings, at least in family law cases, is it is a sum of the parts issue. We need to put you in your best possible light before the judge. How do we do that? In a courtroom, everything matters. What you wear, your demeanor, all of the nonverbal cues that you put out into the world. So what does that mean for us? Men, wear your Sunday best. Get a blazer, get a tie. If you have a suit, wear it. We would rather you feel overdressed than underdressed. For women, it's important to know that the courts want to likely see you be conservative. What does that mean to me? High necklines, sleeves, closed-toed shoes. That'll help anyway because most courtrooms are typically very cold. For men or women, it's important to have minimal jewelry. When you're sitting at counsel table with your attorney, it's likely that you're going to want to move around, ask questions. If you have bracelets, watches, things of that nature, they may clang on the table. What does that do? It distracts the attorney, it distracts the witness, and most importantly, it may distract the judge. While sitting at counsel table with your lawyer, it's likely that you're going to hear somebody testify something that you don't necessarily agree with. That's common. Expect it to happen. That doesn't mean immediately interrupt your attorney and ask them questions. Your attorney is doing many things in the courtroom all at the same time. They're listening to the witness statements, they're observing what the judge is doing, and they're trying to pick up on any nonverbal cues that they can use to your advantage. If you are in their ear asking them questions, it's hard for them to multitask to that extent. It's incredibly important that you bring a pen, it may be a piece of paper if not a notepad, and if and when you have questions during the proceedings, write them down and address them on break with your lawyer. Understand too, at least in family law, even if you have a setting before the judge, it may not be the only setting on the court's docket. In other words, it says be there at 8:30, which means to you, get there at 8:15 or 8 o'clock. That doesn't mean at 8:30, everybody's sitting down at counsel table to have the conversations and full-blown hearing with the judge. It's going to take time. If you're concerned about feeling prepared for your upcoming setting, reach out to our team. Our goal is to make sure you are comfortable in the process. Family law by nature is uncomfortable. If you feel better prepared, it's likely that you will feel more comfortable in a courtroom, which at least in my eyes can only help our ability to achieve your desired outcome.